we are going to learn how to solve the equation with irrational roots or imaginary roots. Whenever a plus root b is a root of the given equation, then its conjugate a minus root b is also a root of the equation. Therefore, the factor of the equation will be x minus of a plus root b and x minus of a minus root b. The product of these two factors also will be a factor. By dividing the given equation by this factor, the remainder will be 0. Equating the quotient to 0, we can solve for the remaining roots. To solve this exercise, we have to know the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Where a, b, c are the coefficient of x square, x and constant term. The quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then the roots of the equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is used to find the roots of the quadratic equation. When we cannot use the factorization method, we can apply this formula. Let us see one example. Solve 2x power 3 minus 7x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Given 1 plus root 2 is a root. Look at the equation. It's a cubic equation. Cubic equation means highest power of x is 3. Therefore, it is called a cubic equation. X power is 3. Therefore, this equation has 3 roots. 1 root only given. 1 plus root 2 is a root only given. Since it's a irrational root, we know the theorem, irrational root occur in conjugate pair. Then 1 plus root 2 conjugate is 1 minus root 2. That also a root. Already one root is given. We found another root. Next we have to find the third root of the given equation. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. Given that 1 plus root 2 is a root. Therefore, its conjugate is 1 minus root 2 is also a root. Then factors are x minus of 1 plus root 2 and x minus of 1 minus root 2. These two are the factors of the root. Product of this factor equal to x minus of 1 plus root 2 into x minus of 1 minus root 2. This bracket indicates that it is in product. First remove the inner bracket, x minus 1 minus root 2. X minus into 1 minus 1 minus into root 2 minus root 2. Next one is x minus into 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus root 2. We are going to multiply these two factors. We apply the algebraic formula. Here my a is x minus 1 and b equal to root 2. What formula we are going to use? A minus b and a plus b. What is the formula? A minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That identity we are going to use here. My a is x minus 1, b is equal to root 2. A square, x minus 1 whole square, b square, that is root 2 square. How to expand x minus 1 whole square? Using the algebraic identity a minus b whole square only, we can easily expand this identity. What is a minus b whole square formula? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply this identity here. In our sum, a is x and b equal to 1. A square, that is x square, minus 2ab plus b square. B square is 1 square. Root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2. X square 2x into 1 minus 2x, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 2. these two terms are like term. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. We found the product of the factor. We are going to divide the given equation by this factor. We get one quotient. Then we have to equate the quotient to 0. We get the third root of the equation. Let us divide the equation. I am writing the given equation. 2x power 3 minus 7x square plus 4x plus 3. Then we found the product of the factor as x square minus 2x minus 1. How to divide these two polynomial? First we have to divide the first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. That is 2x power 3 divided by x square, which is equal to 2. X cube divided by x square is what? X. That 2x you should write in the quotient place, 2x. Then we are going to multiply 2x by the divisor. 2x into x square, 2x power 3. 2x into minus 2x, minus 4x square. 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. We are going to subtract the polynomial. Therefore, I am changing the symbol of the second one. 2x cube symbol is plus because there is no symbol. We consider this as plus number. Plus we have to change it minus. Minus we have to change it plus. Minus we have to change it plus. Then I am going to subtract. 2x power 3 minus 2x power 3 cancelled. Minus 7x square plus 4x square, that is minus 3x square. 4x plus 2x plus 6x. Write the next term plus 3 here. Again we are continuing the same process. Divide the first term of this one divided by first term of the divisor. Minus 3x square divided by x square, which is equal to minus 3. That you should write in the quotient place. Minus 3 into the whole divisor. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2x plus 6x. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Changing the symbol of the second one. Minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Everything will be cancelled. You will get 0. Because minus 3x square plus 3x square cancelled. 6x minus 6x cancelled. Plus 3 minus 3 cancelled. At last we get the quotient as 2x minus 3. Equating the quotient to 0, we get the third root. 2x, bring the minus 3 to this side, we get plus 3. Then x equal to 3 by 2. This is our third root. And what is the solution? Solutions are, first solution is given in the question, 1 plus root 2. Then we find the conjugate also a root, that is the second root. Third root already we found just now, 3 by 2. This is the solution of the given cubic equation. Second question is, solve the equation x power 4 minus 4x power 3 plus 4x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0, given that square root of minus 1 is a root. We already know that square root of minus 1 is a square root of minus 1 is I. Given root is square root of minus 1, which is nothing but I, that is imaginary unit. It's a complex number. We already know the theorem. Imaginary roots occur in conjugate pair. Therefore, other root is minus I. Then factors are x minus I and x minus of minus I. Then product of this factor is x minus I and x minus of minus, that is plus I. Applying the formula a minus b and a plus b. What is a minus b and a plus b? Which is equal to a square minus b square. My a is x and b equal to I. X square minus I square. We know the value of I square is minus 1. Therefore, I am substituting here x square minus of minus 1, which is equal to x square plus 1, which is the divisor. We are going to divide this polynomial by the given polynomial. We get one quotient. That quotient we have to equal to 0. We get the solution of the equation. Look at the equation. It's a biquadratic equation. That is highest degree is 4. Therefore, we must have 4 roots. We must have 4 different roots. One root is given, root of minus 1, that is I is the one of the root. Therefore, we found minus I is also a root. Therefore, we have found 2 roots. Then we have to find the remaining 2 roots. Dividing the given equation by the product of the factor, product of the factor is x square plus 1. Same division, divide the first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. That is x power 4 divided by x square, which is equal to what? X square. That you should write in the quotient place. Then multiply the divisor by x square. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into 1 plus x square. That I should write here. Why I am not writing here? This is the coefficient of x cube place. Therefore, I am writing the coefficient of x square place here. We are going to subtract. Therefore, changing the symbol of the second polynomial. Second polynomial symbol is plus. Therefore, write minus. Here minus. X power 4 minus x power 4 cancelled. Here no term is there. We can consider this as 0. Minus 4x cube minus 0 is minus 4x cube. Then 4x square minus x square, that is plus 3x square. Write the next term minus 4x. Okay. Again divide minus 4x cube divided by x square. Minus 4x power 3 divided by x square, which is equal to minus 4. X cube by x square is x. That you write in the quotient place. Minus 4x. Multiply the divisor by minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x power 3, minus 4x into 1, minus 4x. That I write in the coefficient of x place. Changing the symbol, minus become plus. Then minus become plus. Minus 4x cube plus 4x cube 0. Here nothing is there, therefore 0. 3x square minus 0, 3x square. Minus 4x plus 4x is 0. Then take out the last term plus 3 here. Again divide the first term of this one divided by first term of the divisor. 3x square by x square. 3x square by x square, which is equal to 3. That I write in quotient place. Multiply the divisor by 3. 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 ones are 3. Changing the symbol, both are plus, therefore I change the symbol as minus. We get 0 as the remainder. Therefore, what is the quotient? Quotient is x square minus 4x plus 3. We can easily factorize this quadratic equation, or if you don't know how to factorize the quadratic equation, we can use the quadratic formula. This is the simple equation. I am going to factorize. The constant term is 3. I am writing here. If I multiply the two term, I must get the term 3. If I divide the same two term, I must get minus 4. What are the two numbers? The numbers are minus 1 and minus 3. Because minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Adding the two numbers, minus 1 and minus 3, you will get minus 4. Therefore, the two numbers are x minus 1 and x minus 3. Equating the quotient to 0, we get, that is quotient is x minus 1 and x minus 3. Equating the quotient to 0, we get x equal to 1, 3. These are the third and fourth root of the equation. Therefore, solutions are, first one is I, that is square root of minus 1. Second one is its conjugate minus I. Third one is 1 and 3. Because it's a biquadratic equation, we are getting 4 equations. This is the important sum. Already asked in 5 mark in the Madras University examination.